Wait, I'm copying the same one.
Yes, you are copying what is in the what I gave you now. Whenever I tell you to complete
Wait,
something,
I'm copying number one.
no, number two. Number two is it not complete?
Okay, okay.
What were you thinking? What did you think I asked you to do in number
No,
two?
no, no, because from your wording, I thought you were talking about number one.
No, it's number two. Number two, those places where you have comments where they say code for menu one, code for menu two. Those places are where you are supposed to put the correct code.
Huh? Okay, choice.
You can't type that thing, just copy it. No, I didn't say you should. That one that you have typed is okay. Copy the one that you are about to, that is left. I was expecting that you will copy. Oh yeah, just copy, put whatever you want to do, just do it. No, did it end? Did I end my own there?
No.
I didn't end my own there now. Why are you doing something I did not do? I didn't end my own there. It continues.
Huh?
I said that it continues. Go hit enter and go to the next line. Ah.
I don't know what
Start it
happened
again
here.
or start the while loop again.
I'm confused what happened.
Reduce the space between those three quotation marks. Remove the space between them.
Okay, what? Okay. Hmm. To enter the name of the company, you further wanted to enter the name.
That is part of the menu. Copy everything. That's what I've been telling you. Copy everything. Copy everything to the place. You see, you read the question, you see where that input statement ends. Everything is inside the input statement. The one, everything is there. It ends with that for to end to end the program. That's what it ends with.
But so I'm not copying these.
I said copy everything up to that place where you even see to end the program, for to end the program. Copy everything. All these things are a menu. That's why I said you can't type it.
Oh,
You have to copy the number one. If you leave one out, why? No, I said up to where you see to end the program. Don't go and copy everything like that. You will mess it up. Stop at to end the program.
yes, yes, I did.
Where you see to end the program.
Yeah, I ended it.
Then remember to remove the space between those three quotation marks like you did for the first one.
Oh, so I put all of them here.
Uh-huh. Now remove the space between the three quotation marks.
I thought what you had to do for it was that you had to read it and not to like do what he said. I didn't know you had to copy and paste.
That's why I said number 2, complete the program below that will display a menu as follows and prompts the user to choose from the menu by entering the integer that matches the choice. So
Yeah,
to
I
complete
just
a program,
realized.
you will start with the part that you are given, then complete what you are not given. So now you cannot copy the if statement. The if statement is still inside the while loop. That if statement there, the if, elif, all those things
Copy
are
all of it.
inside the while loop.
Can I copy all of it?
Yes.
Do I put it at the same line as
Did you hear me
it?
when I said everything is inside the while loop?
Okay. Okay.
Now arrange that elif. You can see that things are not clearly aligned. So I arrange those elif to match with the if that they belong to.
So
So what you are supposed to do now, code for menu 1. That's code for menu 1 is a comment in Python. So we're supposed to now put the code, the actual code there. So if the person chose 1, what does 1 say?
um to enter the name of the car brand, you be further prompted to enter the name of the car brand you want to add to the list.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we want to see.
So how do you prompt a user to enter something?
Um,
Hmm?
Using prompt.
How do you prompt a user to enter something?
Using the prompt function.
Using what?
The prompt function.
Change that prompt to input. We're in Python, we're not in JavaScript.
Oh yeah, I meant input, yeah, input. I was taking out the wrong one. By using the input function.
Change the prompt to input.
That okay, prompt to input.
Hmm?
Okay.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, change the prompt to input. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
I said change. Okay, you changed it. So I said, how do you prompt a user in Python to enter the name of a
Using
car brand.
using the input function.
So go and use it then now where you have that if statement, code for menu 1. That's what is expected there after that menu.
Huh?
Go to your if statement and put the code for the choice 1.
Okay, sir.
Where you see code for menu 1, it's expecting you to type some lines of code after that. Yes.
So here.
Yes. So remember, you have an empty array. You want the first menu says to enter the name of a car brand. So now you need a variable, you need an input statement, all the things that you need, start typing them.
I need a variable.
Before, will you not put it inside the variable?
Yeah, oh yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
What should I call the variable?
Call it anything you want. Call it anything you want. Anything that makes sense. So remember the name of a variable has to rhyme with what you are trying to store inside. If you want to call it car, if you want to call it brand, anything you want, let it make sense. Okay, you are calling it menu 1. Oh yeah, if you call it menu 1, go ahead, complete the statement.
Menu 1 equals inputs. Please enter the you would like you
You would like
but
to do what?
no, sorry, please enter the name of it. Should I say like please enter the name of a car brand delight?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
So whatever the person enters will be put in the variable menu 1. But that doesn't mean it has been added to the list. What will you now do to add it to the list?
Um uh,
How do we add things to a list?
what do you ask to um using using the insert function we learned in last class.
Insert.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Insert.
Yes.
Are you sure you use insert to add something to an array? Insert is for when you already have things inside the array. Then you're just putting something in specific positions that you want. But this is an empty array. So I don't think insert will do that work for us well. What other method do you know that can do the same thing or even better?
Um, Append. Oh no. Append is for this thing.
It's append. You're correct. It's append. Go
Oh,
ahead and use append. Append is what will add things at the back of the array. When it's empty like this, only append will work. Is the
okay.
name of the array menu one? The name of the array is car brands. Have you forgotten?
Oh yes, so.
Car brands. You can now say dot append.
I thought I got it wrong. Dot append, and then that puts like many one inside.
Yes. What else do you want to put? And you don't need a quotation mark for that. It's a variable, so you don't need quotation mark. If you put quotation mark, it will put the literal menu one instead of whatever the person put inside menu one. So that's it for the first one. What does menu two say?
Many two says to delete a particular tab brand you enter, you you will be further prompted to enter. Sorry, I don't need this anymore.
Huh?
No, so the WhatsApp was blocking my view
You
from
will still
reading
need
it.
it though, but that will be later. The last one is to print the, anyway, you will not need it. It's just to print the car brand list that is there and it's outside
So
the while loop.
you'll be
So
prompted to you'll be further prompted to enter the name of the brand you want to delete.
yes. So the same thing. Please enter the name of the car brand you want to delete quickly. Let's not waste time.
Sorry, menu two,
Mhm.
menu two, and wait, what did you say it was, sir? Please
What did
enter
I
what?
say?
Yes, sir. Please enter what?
Look at the question now. It says to delete a car brand, you will be further prompted to enter the name of the car brand you want to delete.
Please enter
The name of a car brand you wish to delete from the
A
list.
A or the
Huh?
it it's
And name of. Okay. So now you have to, that input is not correct. I thought that you will notice it by now. The color
oh
has not changed. That's much better. So how do you delete stuff from a list?
um
Do you remember?
let's think.
If you cannot remember, just quickly hit enter and type the name of the list and press dot. This thing will show you all the methods that Python has on the list. Then you quickly pick out the correct one you want.
Okay.
There are different
Is
ways.
is
I
it
think
dot remove or
try now,
sta-
try and see.
pra-
Let's see if you have anything like dot remove. If that is it, then I guess that one matches what you would need.
yeah.
Now, don't you think there might be an issue if the person types it in a case that is different for what is inside the array? Maybe we should even start from that place where you have append. So go back to that place where you have append. Menu one is a string, right? So within the brackets for append, after menu one, do dot lower. I said within the brackets, within, not outside. Within, dot lower.
Okay.
Did it not show you anything?
And now,
That thing is not correct now. Lower is a method. You did not put it, so it doesn't have a this thing.
doesn't have its own brackets. Yeah, it does not show.
It does not show anything.
But when I put the dot, it does not show it.
Okay. What's the next one for menu 3?
Menu 3, it is to insert a bar brand at the position of your choice. You be further prompted to enter the position where you want to insert it. Then you will be further prompted to enter the name of the car brand you want to insert.
So that one is insert method. It needs two things, the position and the name. So the position is an integer. The name is a string. So go ahead and put, that means you need two input statements.
Hmm?
Yes, now you need two input statements. One will handle the position, another one will handle the name of the car brand you want to add. Insert. Where is, I just said now that the position will be an integer. You did not do any, there's nothing here that shows that it's an integer you're expecting. So arrange it better. No, you have not closed that int function. I think, why not call that menu 3 position? Then you now call the car, the name of the car that they want to enter. Menu 3. You can copy the input statement you have for menu 1 and just change like to insert, or you like to insert anyone. Now this is where you actually insert it. So what method do you use to insert a
Insert.
card into a list?
Insert.
Okay.
But do I do insert menu two or menu three? I'm on position three.
Look at what that thing is showing you. What does it show you there?
Which one?
That small box that is showing there when you type the
Index
bracket.
index
Uh-huh.
object slash insert.
Index comma object. Index comma object. So what does it tell you? What does index tell you?
Um, um
What
uh,
does index tell you?
to insert object before index.
Mm, that's what the function does. That's what that is telling you. That is just telling you what the function does. But I said, what does index tell you? What does it tell you? Or what does it mean?
What um
That index
um
is the positioner. That's the integer. That's the integer. So that's where you type the position 3 variable that
yes,
you created.
it's the integer. Okay,
Yes.
position three. Then I put comma. Then I put background.
Put the second one now. And then close your parentheses.
Okay.
Then the last one is,
Else statements.
so I think we should do something here. Let's do another elif. That else should be for, let's say the person goes and types in a number that is not among 1, 2, 3, and 4. We should tell the person that, sorry, there's no menu for that. You
So
understand?
this one should be L is
Elif. I didn't say L is.
L. Oh, sorry, I meant L. If.
Elif choice equals 4.
Huh?
Can you type
L
exactly what you see there and just change the number there to 4?
or which one?
How do all of them look now? No, don't put space in between. You only put one. It's equals to, that's why I keep on telling you, equals to an assignment operator are two different things. I've been telling you that thing since. Arrange that break that is there to line up with the other ones, the car brands, menu 3, position 3. Okay. Now we can now do else. No, I didn't. Don't push it more than that. Push it back. Now you can now do else after that. Then we'll now tell the person in a print statement that there is no menu for that. Try again or something. Else has to line up with that elif. It's not lining up as it is.
But then I put print statement. So the number you
Okay. Now, after that, hit enter, but not hit, don't hit enter twice. So just hit enter once before you now type uh, uh, you have to move it to line up with the else because it's not under that else. The statement that you want to type now is under the while loop. So that's why it is lining up with the else. So now you are typing print car brands. You are printing the list. Print car brands. Mhm. Okay. So I think everything is okay now so that we can test it. Um, all right. So you can hit enter 2 times now to see the effect of the code.
okay. Um this was going to happen.
Yes, now it's expecting you to type something now. You forgot to now input
Oh,
statement. It's
two,
expecting you can't do two. You can't delete something that you have not entered. The first thing you need to do is
one.
to one.
Do I
Uh-huh.
put enter?
Yes, you have to press enter. Then please enter the name of a car brand you like. Okay. So it has added Porsche. Did you see it printed the list immediately after that?
Yes, sir.
So now it is showing you that Porsche is or Porsche, I think it's Porsche, is inside it's inside the list already. So I think you should enter maybe like 3 or so before you start deleting or inserting and stuff like that. No, I didn't say 3 like number 3. I mean which
Oh,
position you want to insert it because there's only one this thing inside there.
maybe like two.
There's only one car brand there.
One. One.
One is not one, it can't be one. The only
Zero.
position there is 0.
Yeah, zero. What? Mm, okay. Do I go to two?
So it put Bugatti before the Porsche.
Yes, sir. Should I do
Okay.
number two now?
Uh, add one more car brand so that we'll have 3 in there.
I should put
So
another.
yes, add another car brand. So that means
So I should.
you will need either menu 1 or menu 3.
Okay. One. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Maybe let's put one more. Then we'll now delete one.
Let me see. Oh, I like Nissan.
Nissan.
What happened?
You did not
Oh
select the
my
document.
god! I forgot to
Yeah.
put it.
Uh-huh.
Can I still put a number or something?
The program, I think that error ended the program. So if you want to run
Oh
it again,
no!
yeah, you have to copy and paste.
I'll be able to make it.
And no problem. This one is the good thing about it is that the program, the part that repeats is inside the while loop. So you can copy it as if it's one
Uh,
statement. But you have to copy that car brands empty separately. Then that's
oh
the
yeah,
empty
I still have to do I still have to do the
car
background.
brands. Yes, that empty loop, the empty loop first. Then you will now copy the whole while loop on its own. No, yes, there. Mm. So starting again, BMW. No, you have to, okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Nissan. Okay. Okay. So which one do you want to delete? BMW. Did
Okay,
they
well,
delete? Did they delete BMW?
yeah, I did.
Okay. You've not done insert. Oh. I noticed that you are only doing append, 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 append. So you can try one insert.
Okay,
Which position do you want to insert it?
let's
Position 2.
do.
Bugatti again.
Oh, I want to do another one.
Do another one now.
Um,
There are so many car brands that are there. Ferrari, Bentley, so many.
yeah, I was going to think of a Ferrari.
Ferrari has double R, I think.
Wait, uh, Rari. Okay, Ferrari. Okay, you added it. So should I press for now? So should I press 4? He's gone, maybe because of his wife. So should I put 4?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Should you put what?
Should I put 4?
Okay, you want to end the program.
I don't know. I'm just asking.
I can't see your screen yet. I think
Okay, let me
maybe
stop.
I can't see your screen.
Yeah, I got the screenshot again. I think I can see my screen now.
Yes, I can see it now. Okay, so how many do you have inside?
4.
Nissan, Bugatti, Ferrari, and Porsche. Okay, so okay, we can do 4 now.
Yes. Okay.
Oh no, 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 wait, before you do 4, enter a number that is not there. Let's test the else part.
It didn't
Sorry,
work.
it's okay. He gave the right message, Abby.
Yeah, sorry, I meant it didn't work.
Okay, sorry, the number you put isn't in the range 1 to 4. Please try again. Okay, now we can enter 4. Let's see.
Okay,
Okay,
so it worked.
so yeah. Okay, so maybe when you have an opportunity to do something like this, uh, before you end the program, you can do something like thank you for using our code or something like that, just like a thank you message or something before it will stop. So now let's see, scroll up, let's take a look at the code itself. Your battery is running low. What happened? You don't have your charger there.
No, let me go get it.
Can you quickly connect the laptops so that the thing doesn't go off without you saving it?
Okay, so I started.
Okay. All right. So, of course, you know what is happening there where you have an empty array, car brands, and the next thing you have is a while loop. Now, if you look at this while loop carefully, you will see that in the condition part, you don't have anything like initialize I to 0 and then say while I is less than a particular number. You understand what I'm trying to say, Abby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the reason is that you don't want the program to be limited. You understand? If you
Yes,
put
sir.
I less than 5, for instance, that means that program can only run how many times? The
5
while
times.
loop can only run how many times?
5 times.
5 times. So with while true, the user is totally in control. It's going to be always true. Now, the issue with while true is this. There is no way to end the, as in there's no way to make it to be false once the loop starts. So that is why if you look very well at option 4, that is elif choice equals to 4, you will see that there is something called break there. That break, there's a break statement there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that break statement is a way to end a loop forcefully, even though it is still running. You can end it anytime you want by calling the break statement within the loop. So that's the reason why we did it like this. We wanted the user to be, if the user wanted to run the loop 10 times, they can run it 10 times. If they want to run it only 5 times, they will keep on changing the options. Then whenever they are tired or whenever they want to end the program, they will simply choose choice 4. That's, they will enter 4 when the menu is presented to them. So that's the reason why it's like this. So this is another style of you doing your while loop. You know, we have seen the one that you do I assignment operator 0 and all that. So
Yes,
this is
yes,
a
yes.
different style. It's a different style which gives the user full control over how the code runs, how many times the while loop will run. So now into the while loop, inside the while loop, you see a variable called choice, and it's an integer. How do we know? Because of that int function that is there. Then look at the input statement. You will see that the input statement has the three quotation marks, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, why do you think we needed 3 quotation marks instead of the usual one at the left-hand side and one at the right-hand side? Why do we need 3 on the left and 3 on the right?
Because, mhm. uh, I don't know.
The reason why you need 3 quotation marks on each side is because this is not a single line string. It's a string, but it's not
Oh,
a single
yes,
line
yes.
string. It's a multi-line string. You can see you want the thing to show in a particular way. You remember, you want it to show in a particular way where all the, all the things that you entered will show exactly one line after the other, one line after the other. For you to be able to achieve it, right, you need to use a multi-line string. Another way you could have done it is to have 5 input statements, but that's unnecessary because how would you be able to get the result for one? You understand what I'm trying to say? You only need
Yes, sir.
one choice, but you want to show the user 4 options. So this is the best way to go about it. You use your 3 quotation marks to make Python to give you a multi-line string. You understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. We covered multi-line string when we were talking about strings that first time. Okay, so let's look at the if statement. So this is another constructor, another way of writing your code where you have if statements inside the while loop. So look at what the if statement is doing for us. It's checking what the person has chosen. So if the person chose 1, right? That is if choice equals 1. What should we do? We'll first ask the person for what? The name of the car brand they like, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what do we do next?
Um, do car brand dot append menu.
Exactly. Dot append, right? So append will append whatever the person entered to the array. Okay. Then for position 2, to delete a particular car brand you entered, you'll be further prompted to enter the name of the car brand you want to delete. So for position 2, we are hoping that the person will only use it after the person has added something to the list. So we now ask the person, please enter the name of what? the car brand you would like to delete. And then what do we do next?
Then we do car brand dot remove menu to dot lower.
Dot lower. Okay. And why did we say we have to call dot lower? Why do we need to call dot lower there?
So that oh, we just said it because
The reason why we had to call dot lower is in case the person, when you entered it, when you called when the user chose menu one, the person typed BMW all in lowercase, or if the person typed BMW all in lowercase, by the time the person is now coming to delete and the person types BMW with capital letter, I hope you know that there is no way capital letter and small letter will match. So it will look as if nothing was removed. You understand?
yes, sir.
So that lower will make sure that whatever the person, just like where you call dot append and you said menu one dot lower. So when we want to also delete, we'll do what? We'll change whatever the person typed to what? Lower, so that it will
Yeah,
match whatever is inside the array already.
yes, sir.
So it's just to avoid um, having any issues while the program is running. So if choice equals 3, what do we do there? What are we supposed to do there?
Yeah.
The third one, choice equals 3. If choice equals 3, what are we doing there?
Position 3 inputs. Please enter the position for where you want to insert. Menu 3 inputs. Please enter the name of car brand you'd like to insert. Car
Mhm.
brand dot insert brackets position 3, comma menu 3 brackets.
So what we're simply doing there is to insert. What's the difference between insert and append?
Append like whatever you put. Let's say like menu 1. Whatever
Yes.
you put in menu 1 will go to the back.
Yeah, it will go to the back of the list, right?
Yes, sir.
The end of the list. Okay. But then what happens when you are inserting?
What when you're inserting it inserts whatever you put in menu 3. Sorry,
At least
position 3.
in position 3. Okay. So that means the difference between insert and append is that with insert, you can put it at any position you like. But with append, the only place where it goes is to the end of the list. It adds itself to the end, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last one, or okay, second to the last, we had if choice equals 4, and that's the one that I told you will do what? Will help us exit the while loop, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You 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 remember, right? The break statement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as short as that statement looks, it's actually very powerful, because if this while loop could not end, that break would forcefully end it once it is called. Okay, so the last option is the else, which says what? Sorry, the number
Uh,
you isn't in the range, right? That's when the person doesn't put any option that is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. You should show the person that message. And then finally, each time the while loop runs, did you notice that the car brands list gets printed?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. is because of that print car brands that you put there. If you had not put it there, you won't see that list showing. But you know, at each point, it's good to see what the list looks like, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that's how this thing works. So I think you should save it. Save it with um if if within while, if nested in while, if
Nested in one.
yes, nested in while, then plus list. Then don't forget to put the name of the homework, Python homework
Wait,
20.
if nested while.
Nested in while. That's it's inside a while loop. Nested, if nested, I didn't say just nested. If nested in while loop, nested in while loop, okay, plus lists. Okay, list. I didn't say list. Uh-huh. Then homework. I've forgotten. Check your phone. Is it
26.
26? Okay. So that should do the trick or do the job. All right. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll send you stuff to do. Please try and do it um today, possibly before
Okay, sir.
our class on Saturday. We're meeting Saturday, right?
Yes, sir.
By 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Please, if there's anything that will change that time of meeting, let me know on time
Mm-hmm.
so that we can reschedule.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right then. So just look out on your phone. I'll send you something to do soon. Is
Okay,
your
sir.
phone
Bye, sir.
online now? Is your WhatsApp online now?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll send it.
At, okay, sir. Goodbye, sir.
All right. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, sir.